have completed till we have seen what is SQL injection, what are the different types of injection points, and we have seen what are the SQL injection methods. So we got to know there are 20 plus types of SQL injection possibilities, right? So this is one of the dangerous attack which can happen on web applications. Okay, and in that SQL injection, we have seen how balancing query is done. Okay, and we have seen a get based SQL injection last session, right? Get based. So 1 second. So and also I'll just switch on my lab. Metasploitable. Two. Switch on. Okay. So 103 is my IP, and I'll also switch on Kali Linux. Okay. So in SQL injection and get based, we have done till blind boolean based as far as I remember. Yes, we have completed till blind boolean. Did we see blind time based or boolean time based SQL injection, guys? No, we didn't do. So we have in get based. So I remember that we have completed till this fourth method, that is blind boolean based, where you guys remember we give substring of database 1 comma 1 is equal to A B C, like that we'll be giving, if you remember the statement, SQL statement, right? Okay, so let's say edit this. Okay, here only we'll continue in our previous session. So here in, if you guys remember, in our you know yeah, in our blind boolean based SQL injection, so we have used substring of database 1 comma 1. Okay, the first one represent, so the first one represents the first character of the first database. Okay, first one represent the first character and second one represent the database. Okay, which database? So first character of first database, if it is A, it is a, if it is actually database starts with A, it is true. If it then didn't start with A, it is false. So like that we have to do error and trial and error methods, okay, using this. All right, now what we'll be doing is we'll get inside the next part, that is uh, time based. Okay, time based. So let me get into the lab. 192.168.0.103. Enter. SQLi. Reset. One challenge number. Yeah. So previously we have stopped near challenge number 8. If you guys remember. So what was the challenge in, let's recollect what happened. Okay. So till here in level 2, level 3, these levels, what was the challenge? So when we connect our when we connect our, yeah, 1 second. Yeah. So when we connect our URL to database, question mark ID is equal to 1. Okay. First we used to get, it used to get connected to database and it used to give us the data. Okay. From next level onwards, from next scenario, it became harder. So what happened is it is getting connected to database, but we are not able to project the data. Like from the database here, the data is getting projected on screen. But in next levels, we are not able to project the data. Only thing we are able to project is the error message. Okay, only thing we are able to project is error message. So when we are able to project the error message, what did we do? We used we used error based and double query based we used error based and double query based methods. Okay, so we are only getting error means we are using the error messages to get data from database. Yes or no? Remember that scenario? The first scenario is we are able to connect to the database and we are able to get the error messages, everything is fine. Okay, so there are few websites which doesn't project data from the database. Only thing is you'll get errors. In that scenario, you have to use error based or double query based. So using that error messages, you should be getting the data from the database. Okay. And next level, what happened is they are not showing that error message also. Okay. They are not projecting the data. They are not showing the error message. In that scenario, what we have to do? Blind Boolean functions. So using true or false statements, you have to find out whether it is what is the database name. You have to find out using true or false statement. Now, now in eighth level, the advantage was at least we used to get in eighth level, at least we are getting blank message as an error. Remember, guys, at least we are getting blank message as error. ID is equal to 1. What is the first step? ID is equal to 1. Enter. It is saying you are in. Okay. Now, single quote and A equal to a Boolean function. Okay. So do you guys remember this? We are trying to form a true statement. And if we click enter, if we click go, it is a true statement. So let's make it false. A equal to B. Go. So if you are able to see in this scenario, it is going blank. That means if something is error, okay, if there is an error in this website scenario, it is going blank. It is not projecting the error, it is going blank. Okay, this is one type of website scenario. It little advanced level when compared to previous things. Yes or no? Are you guys understanding the flow? We are toughening our opponent. So this website, this lab is our opponent. When we keep on crossing levels, it becomes tougher and tougher. Yes. So we are seeing different types of website scenarios. Are you able to understand this? Yes. Everyone? Everyone. Only two yeses I got. 3, 4.